Hey, would you like to save even more time and make even more money with your FunnelsBot account? Well, here is some good news for you. We've brought another irresistible deal we think you will just love. Now you can get a fresh supply of high-converting done-for-you channel bot templates for 20 different niches every month throughout the year. With FunnelsBot Done-for-You Template Club, you will have this one-time chance to access over 10 done-for-you chatbots for 10 different categories. Here are 4 top reasons why you shouldn't miss this opportunity to get your hands on these done-for-you chatbot templates. 1. These templates are original and exclusive, so they can only be found in this club. That means nobody would even come close to getting access to such chatbot designs. 2. They are based on latest trend. As the team behind these templates are seasoned marketers and designers, they understand the market. They are the trendsetters. 3. These templates are designed to work seamlessly with FunnelsBot. The size and other specs match perfectly, unlike the ones you might find elsewhere on the net. 4. These templates are available for more than affordable pricing, because when compared to the price and quality of templates available elsewhere, these templates are miles ahead. The prices are unbelievably low. And last and most important reason, when you get access to FunnelsBot Done-for-You Club, you also get to request custom chatbot templates. And our team of expert designers, coders, and marketers will make your requested chatbots available inside the software. You heard that right. Simply upgrade to the FunnelsBot Done-for-You Club, and you will instantly receive 40 chatbot templates, while the remaining 120 templates will be delivered throughout the year every month. Isn't this an irresistible deal? And trust us with our specialty crafted chatbot templates. You will be able to skyrocket engagement and conversions for your business and for your clients. And here is the best part. You get to make the most of these stunning chatbot templates for different niches without paying a fortune. Our price is so reasonable that it's costing us dollars to make this upgrade available to you for such a small fee. So we won't be able to keep this offer live for very long. Today is your last chance to make more out of your FunnelsBot account, because once you leave this page, this special deal will be gone forever. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade to FunnelsBot Done-for-You Template Club right now.